Shakas, hello crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to share with you another set of cards that I've made with the Spellbinders June. Yeah, it's June. June's monthly club kit. This might have been an extra die for the set if you got all in the month. Yeah, this might have been an extra one, but that's the die. Here's the dies. And I used the tiki torches in another video or another set of cards that I shared. This set that I made, oh, I did use the tiki torches. I also used this sign as well, and this is part of the club. It came with the sentiments as well as the sign dies to cut out. And I believe this was the stamp and something die of the month, I think. Sorry. But yeah, so those were the two sets I used. That's the last of the club. I still have the press and foil of the month to play with, but I haven't drug my glimmer machine out. I don't have a space for it. That's the whole thing. But I'm trying to work on cleaning up my mess. I'm ashamed to show you, so I'm not going to. Anyway, but I'll, yeah, if I do mess with it, then I'll end up sharing that. But here are the 3 sets of cards I did get. I did emboss the background with the embossing folder that I received in the set. And there's Miss Aloha HULA doing her thing. So I made that one, and this was the other embossed folder that came with the club set. It's like a tiki-ish. And oh yeah, there's the tiki. I used the tiki there. And then the last one. Yeah, so that's my quick share for today. I hope you guys are having a fabulous weekend. And for more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas! Shakas!